This is how you move clips around on the timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20. Make sure you've got the pointer mode selected by clicking here, and then just click a clip and drag it left and right. To move a clip up and down, drag it up. To move it to a higher video track, and you can see that the linked audio also moves to a new audio track. If you just want to move the video part but not the linked audio part, click this button here to disable linked selection mode. You can see it's no longer lit up. And now if I drag just the video part up, only the video part is moving up and down to a different track, or left and right. And if we click on the audio part, we can drag that up, down, left and right without automatically moving the video part, and click this button to re-enable that linked move mode. If I wanted to move this clip in the middle of these two clips, I'd have to select all of these, move them over, drag this clip over, and then select all of these and move them back again. Instead of that, let me just undo those changes. You can select this clip, hold down Shift and Control on the keyboard, and then tap full stop or period on the keyboard to move and shuffle that clip to the right, or Shift, Control and comma to shuffle that clip left along the timeline.